Good afternoon and welcome to my presentation. Today I will present to you the lasting legacies of the Olympic Games of Paris 1900, Tokyo 1964, 2004 Athens and 2012 London. Before I begin, I would like to share with you some words that I will use that you may not understand. The word Olympiad means an Olympic Games. The word venue means a place where the sports were held. The IOC is the International Olympic Committee. The NOC is the National Olympic Committee. The Olympic Village is where the athletes stay when they are not at their events. I will begin with the second Olympiad, 1900 France. This Olympiad was one of the longest as it lasted from May 14 to October 28. It was part of the World Fair and many athletes did not know they had competed in the Olympic Games because its Olympic status was hidden. Competing in this Olympics were 997 athletes representing 24 NOCs. These athletes competed in 95 events, including the tug of war, equestrian, athletics and more. It was an opportunity for the local areas to showcase their French culture and civilization. The venues at this Olympiad were poor. The swimming venue Seine was built on a river. Due to the strong current, competitors reached unbelievably fast times. The IOC did not regard them as official Olympic Games as the French government took complete control. The 18th Olympiad, 1964 Tokyo, lasted from October 10 to 24. There were 5,152 athletes competing from 93 NOCs in 163 events. For this Olympiad, new highways, hotels, airports and railway lines were built for more people to access the games. One particular bullet train, the Tokaido Shinkansen, was especially made for these games and has carried over 5.6 billion passengers since. Some venues and facilities are planned to be rebuilt for use in the 2020 Olympics. These games were the first in Asia, and in this Olympiad, 25 Olympic records were broken. The carrier of the flame was chosen because he was born on the 6th of August 1945, when the bomb exploded in Hiroshima, as a call to peace in the world. The 28th Olympiad, 2004 Athens, is the biggest games to date. It lasted from 13th to 29th of August. It showcased a record 10,625 athletes from 201 NOCs. This was one of the only Olympiads that had all of the NOCs to participate. The athletes competed in a total of 301 events. These games are the most popular, having the most spectators in history, watching TV and at the venues themselves. Many new transportation systems were added in order to invest. A new tram system was introduced and went extremely well. During the marathon, a Brazilian runner who was in the lead was attacked by a deranged spectator and still claimed third place. He was awarded the Pierre de Coubertin Award for an exceptional demonstration of fair play and Olympic values. The archery venue used was the same one used in the 1896 Olympics. The 30th Olympiad, 2012 London, started on the 25th of July and ended on the 12th of August. 10,568 athletes competed from 204 NOCs in 302 events. For the Games, transport was upgraded, new venues built and old ones reconstructed. The stadiums used in these Olympics are still used for global and local competitions. The Olympic Village has been transformed into the homes of over 4,500 people. Inspired by the Olympic Games in their country, 15.6 million people aged 16 plus are taking part in sport at least once a week. The Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park was reopened to the public on the 5th of April 2013. These games were the first Olympiad to have a female competitor for each country. As you have heard, countries hosting the Olympic Games all leave a lasting legacy at the local, regional and global level.